Today, our topic is about the pre-consumer and post-consumer. Pre-consumer and post-consumer, these are terms used in manufacturing sectors, in manufacturing industry. Today, we will discuss about the difference between both terminologies, pre-consumer and post-consumer. Let's we discuss with respect to textile industry what is pre-consumer and what is post-consumer. Pre-consumer waste. Pre-consumer materials are those that are generated during the manufacturing process, but they do not reach the end user. So this is why these are called pre-consumer waste. These are generated during the manufacturing process, but do not reach the end consumer. These materials include manufacturing waste such as scraps, trimmings, and offcuts, as well as defective or unsold products that are recycled or disposed of before reaching the consumers. Pre-consumer materials can be recycled back into the manufacturing process to reduce the waste and conserve resources. So this is the waste that is achieved or collected from the manufacturing process before it reach to the end consumers. Further, next is post-consumer. Post-consumer materials, on the other hand, are materials that have been used by consumers and then recycled or disposed of. So this is the terminology that you can say post-consumer. On the other hand, are materials that have been used by consumers, while in case of pre-consumer, they are not used by consumers. And so post-consumers are used by consumers and then recycled or disposed of. These materials include items such as discarded clothing, textiles, packings, and other consumer products that have been reached the end of their useful life. So, post consumer materials can be collected through recycling programs and processed into new materials or products and reducing the need for virgin resources and minimizing the environmental impacts. This is the explanation for the post consumer waste. Key difference, we can say that in the summary, the main difference between the pre-consumer and post-consumer materials in textile is their stage in the product life cycle. This is the main difference between both wastes. Pre-consumer materials are generated before reaching consumer, typically during the manufacturing process, while post-consumer materials are used by consumers and recycled or disposed of afterward. This is the explanation for the pre-consumer and post-consumer. Hope your understanding would be very clear about these terminologies. For other videos, please like and subscribe. Thank you.